Hey guys, hey, good morning to you. Good morning, welcome to my channel, welcome to my kitchen. If you are tuning in to my channel for the first time, my name is Tamisha and we are in my kitchen. My channel is A Mouthful, and here I love to share recipes and everything food related with you. Kind of just spend the day in the kitchen with me because we're all home. We're all home and we've been home. Let me scoot back from the camera. We're all home and we've been home now for my family in particular. We've been in the house now for maybe about a good solid week and a half. Our county and our state has not mandated that we stay in place yet. We are shutting down. They've shut down a lot of activity and businesses and things like that. They haven't said that you had to stay put yet, but I know it's coming. So because I do have a compromised immune system, I made the call with my household, and we decided to keep it put. So the only time we have left out the house is to get groceries. We just been home, just kind of chilling and relaxing, hanging out in our backyard. We got a puppy, so we're in the backyard a lot, getting him some exercise, or we're walking through our neighborhood. So today what I'm going to be showing you guys is my kitchen. For one, is a disaster. It is a mess. There's stuff everywhere, so I'm going to clean up my kitchen a little bit, and I'll keep my camera on for that as well. Last night, my daughter and I, we went out to the grocery store to stock up for about 2 weeks. So we went to Aldi and we went to Walmart. But last night I was so tired. We just put everything up. I did not even bother to turn the camera on. So what I'm gonna do, since I need to clean up anyway, I'm going to pull everything out and give you guys a quick grocery haul in this video as well. The very first thing that I'm gonna do is drink my tea, because I start every single morning off with a cup of tea. It does not matter. I mean, every single morning I have to have a cup of tea. So I'm going to drink my tea and get my day started. All right, so y'all wanna see what real life looks like? This is my kitchen. This is the state of my kitchen right now, okay? This is real life. Do not be judging me or I won't invite y'all back, okay? But yeah, it's a mess, a disaster. I need to clean my floors. There are dishes everywhere. My countertops are a mess. Yeah, so I'm about to get started on cleaning up my kitchen, and I'll let the camera run for that. And we're gonna get this spotless because I'm gonna be cooking today. I also wanna show you my groceries, and I just wanna have it cleaned up before everybody gets down here and starts messing it up again. So, all right guys, let's go ahead and break out all of my soaps and everything and get this kitchen back in shape. All right guys, so for the next few minutes I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean my kitchen. Now this is in no means a deep clean whatsoever. I'm just going to do a quick tidy up just to get my kitchen back in order. Now I don't know if this will continue to be part of my channel. This is actually my first time including any sort of cleaning into my channel. I hope that you guys don't mind, and I definitely hope that you enjoy this type of content. Like I said, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it, but I do say my channel is recipes and everything food related, and cleaning up our kitchen is definitely food related. So if you are only wanting to watch for the grocery haul from Walmart and Aldi, then skip ahead for about 6 minutes and you can jump right into the haul. Other than that, I hope that you guys enjoy the relaxing music, and I will talk to you again once we get to the haul. Alright guys, so right here you can see that I am cleaning my kitchen floors in 3 steps. I use a regular mop, then I use a dust mop, and then I go over and I mop my floor. If you have any suggestions on another way that I can maintain our floors, please comment down below because it is definitely a lot of work, especially on your back, and I would love to make this an easier process, especially because we have to do this for our entire house. We do not have carpet in our house, so we're doing all 3 steps for the entire home. So let me know what you think down below. Also guys, you see this little cute container I got right here. I like to put some fruit in it, some lemons and some berries, and fill it up with water. It's a gallon container, and we grabbed it from Five Below for $5. Guys, so my kitchen is finally clean. Floors are clean. It's my little plants right there. I'm trying to bring them back to life. But floors are clean. Everybody's coats and books and everything are up from the table. All my counters are good. I'm just waiting on my dishes to finish in my dishwasher. But yeah, it's looking so much better. So much better than it was. So it is about 2:30, and I just realized well, I didn't just realize, but it just hit me that how late it was. And I have not eaten yet. So I just warmed up some soup that I made over the weekend. So I'm about to make myself a bowl of soup. And then I'm going to show you guys my grocery haul from last night. And I know my son is going to be so upset because I'm going to have him help me take everything back out of the freezer and the pantry and the refrigerator, and so that I can show you guys what I got last night. So yeah, let me go ahead and make my bowl of soup so that I can get into that grocery haul. You can see the collard greens sitting on the counter because I am going to be making collard greens tonight for dinner. So just got those out because I need to clean them and pick through them. So, okay, let me make my soup and then we'll get into the grocery haul. Okay, first, before we get into the grocery haul, let me show you guys my soup before I dig into this bowl. So this is just I put some Parmesan cheese on top of it just now, but this is just a vegetable and noodle soup, and I have a little bit of, what was it here? Oh, a little bit of sausage as well, which most of the sausage has already been picked through because like I said, I made this over the weekend, but it has noodles, celery, onion, garlic, tomatoes, peas, carrots, green beans, and okra in it, and as well as some tomato juice, and what else? I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh, also in some spinach in it as well. So this is really good. We just had a little bit of it left. So like I said, I just put a little bit of grated Parmesan on top, and I'm about to douse it with some hot sauce, grab some crackers, and sit down and enjoy this for lunch. Hey guys, so I'm just popping in to apologize. I am going to have to break this video up into 3 parts and go ahead and end this one right here because I am having some serious issues with storage and I can't figure it out, and I've been working on it since last night. So I'm just including this small clip of the next video, which is my grocery haul from Walmart and Aldi. It's a big one because I definitely want you guys to tune into that. So I'm ending this video right here. Thank you so much for watching up until this point, and look out for video number 2 in this upload, which will include all of the groceries that I picked up to stock up for the next 2 to 3 weeks. Thanks, guys.